Assalamualaikum, right. I like it when you earn. When you're earning, I enjoy it. Did you listen? Because let's go back for the recap once again. Yesterday.
Let's talk about it. I know people like things to pump, but what about dumping as well? Okay, you can earn through shorting, but I don't recommend that. So here we go. From there, all the way down there, we are talking about a 19% trading opportunity. Is that a stop loss? Okay, on Twitter at the moment, which is pretty big, to maybe 100. If I do zoom here to this pattern now, just notice how you did have support here, support right there, support right here, a wick down and a fake out to take stop losses. But now, for the first time, you've made a bearish closing right there. And not only did you make the bearish closing, but you the next candle closed below that trend line that was support. Now it's turning into resistance, and you can keep hitting your head like this, and then finally drop down. And notice how.
Right. Pretty simple. Okay, I don't trade futures, but if you watched the video yesterday, you are in a profit, guys. Once again, I told you everything. Okay, this is the reason why I tell you. If you just came to see this channel, follow me, because you might never see it again. Because yesterday, again, this was an amazing, incredible. We were sitting at 12,700 right there, and if you took it, this is a 7% that you have. Take some little bit of profit. I will say close 50% right now if you are in any trade and you took this trade. Congratulations. We still have a technical target to come down here for a 19% win. Okay, now what I would say is the stop loss is going to be right over here, close 50%. Congratulations, that is a win for you. Very, very good. Now this is still on a technical target to come down there, and there's nothing more that I'm going to say about it. Okay, that's simple. When we reach down here, we're going to see what happens, and I still believe that when you do come down there, you might end up moving sideways and dropping all the way down to 8,800. Okay, that's where I do see PEPEC coming in. 7% for a day trade is still pretty amazing. That's like $70 if you're investing $1,000. So that's pretty decent if you ask me. And if you go from 1 to come down here, you make another touch. I do believe that we might get a pump when you do come down to 8,800. This is where I could even place some buying baits and some, I do have a private channel, and I tell you guys to join that. It's $10 per month, but I do take trades, so you can trade with me. If I'm giving you this one, imagine I do have so many other different trades going on as well. And I've even been able to tell people on Twitter about one trade that I'm giving for free. So if you want to know which trade that is, you can message me on Twitter, and I'm going to tell you for absolutely free which trade is that. I do believe that trade can actually give you back something in return. Now, to me, Pepe is quite on a destination to go down there and come down here, go down there, and this is where we're going to see what happens. I do believe that when you drop down to this area, we might get a little bit of relief back up, like maybe 15 to 20% win can happen in the future for buying down here and selling somewhere up there, and who knows, finally drop all the way down once again. So keep that thing in mind. I don't know if there's any channel going on for Pepe, but I don't think we have any channel at the moment. And that's it for this update. See you down when we get to the target, and then we're going to see what happens. And then congratulations for winning the trade if you took it, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.